A massive influx of Maratha protesters in Mumbai has caused heavy traffic at the entry points and in the internal parts of the Mumbai. Right now I am at Worli Bandra Sea Link, and this is the way to Coastal Road from Worli Bandra Sea Link, and here we can see that it has been completely barricaded by the police now because it has been told that the tunnel which gets the exit in South Mumbai in Marine Drive has been totally traffic jammed and congested due to the protesters. And here we can see how Mumbaikars are suffering due to this heavy traffic jam and congestions at several places in Mumbai. Here we can see the backlog of the traffic on Worli Bandra Sea Link. The traffic which is coming from the suburban Mumbai, Bandra, western Mumbai, western part of the Mumbai, which wants to go to South Mumbai for their work, are being stranded for hours and they've got stuck. So many Mumbaikars who have come out in the morning for their work were unaware of the fact that there are huge protests in South Mumbai despite regular reports, but now they have found themselves in lurk and they have completely got stuck here. Where are you going, ma'am?
अभी आपने पूछा ना वर्ली
Worli.
Worli.
And for what reason have you left home and you didn't know about this whole protest?
I was knowing about it, but I thought it won't be that serious, the traffic issue. Maybe mostly Mumbai traffic never gets jammed.
How long you've been stuck?
Half an hour on the ceiling.
And where are you heading to?
Worli,
What do you do?
architect.
So here's one architect who've got stuck here and will try and speak to more people. Can I have a word? कहाँ से आए आप?
चौदह रोड से
कितना टाइम से फंसे हुए?
घंटे तो हो गया, 2 घंटा लगने वाला है।
और कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं आप?
चेम्बर
कहाँ? वर्ली
नहीं, मरीन लाइन।
मरीन लाइन। लेकिन पूरा ट्रैफिक जाम है, पूरा बंद कर दिया है। 3 घंटे से फंसे हुए लोग।
3 घंटा हो गया, 2 घंटा।
कैसे जाएंगे? कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट काम के लिए निकले थे आप? ऑफिस के लिए। और कितना समय लगा आपको आने में?
पौना घंटा तो अभी यहीं पे रुके हैं हम।
पौना घंटे से रुके हैं। लेकिन कैसे पहुंचेंगे क्योंकि पूरा ट्रैफिक जाम है?
तो अभी वहीं रुकना पड़ेगा। I know that, but it's causing a lot of issue. The traffic needs to be managed in a manner that nobody has a problem.
So this is the situation here. आप कहाँ से आए हो?
बांद्रा
से। कितने समय से आप यहाँ पर फंसे हुए?
1 घंटा हुआ।
1 घंटा। कहाँ जाना है आपको? मंत्रालय कैसे पहुंचेंगे क्योंकि पूरा साउथ मुंबई जाम है?
जैसे ट्रैफिक जाएंगे वैसा तो ही जाना पड़ेगा ना।
क्या करते हैं आप? गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट हो?
या
अच्छा, तो आपको तो पता ही होगा इतना बड़ा मराठा प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है।
हाँ,
बावजूद उसके आप भी निकले।
ऑफिस तो जाना ही पड़ेगा ना, ड्यूटी है, ड्यूटी तो करना पड़ेगा ना।
So it is not just common Mumbaikars, but even the people who are working in the government are suffering and bearing the brunt of the traffic jam in Mumbai. And this is how the scenario is. Now we need to see that the traffic diverted. How does it work out, and how longer does the Mumbaikar have to suffer because of the protest, the huge protest which has caused a traffic jam in Mumbai. With camera person Mandar Sawan, myself Ritvik Bhalekar for India Today Mumbai.